Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a direct message on the Slack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now go to the direct messages section and tap on that person to whom you want to forward a message. Tap on this message box down below and type in your message. After that, click on the send button. As you can see, you have sent your message. If you want to, you can edit it by tapping on the edit message button. You can either delete it and type in something else, and then tap on this check mark icon. So now, as you can see, your message has been edited. You can also delete it by tapping on it and scrolling down till you find the delete message button. Click on delete message, and as you can see, it has been removed from the chat. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.